Hello guys, quick update here. Thank you so much. That's actually a random video. I kind of wanted it to be a funny meme. Every one of you just blew it up. Damn. How? Wow. You're wondering why did I not post for a while? Braces. I cannot talk properly because for 5 days, but you deserve all of you. Like huge shout out. Damn. It's Bygone. Thank you for the advice as well. Okay, time for a huge shoutout guys. Excel, Ranzon, hindi ko pa siya nasa shoutout na matagal. So, Ranzon, Yon Donato, Jacob, Hans, and most importantly pa, Cameron De Guzman, LJ Gabadan, and I think yun lang po. So, you deserve, all of you, like, inang gagaling niyo kung anong nangyari sa inyong lahat. Racist ba kayo? Peace out.